Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be building a GUI kind of application in Twickenter in Python, which will be fetching data from the Wikipedia API. So if I run this application, this is a graphical user interface kind of application. Here you can just enter any kind of topic. Let's suppose I enter cooking and click on search. So it will grab the data from the Wikipedia API inside Python and it will display it inside your Twickenter window here. You can see that. So now Twickenter comes with the Python installation. So if you have Python, Twickenter is automatically installed. So the other dependency that you will need is the Wikipedia dependency. So for that you can just execute this command, which is pip install Wikipedia. So basically this is a module which is responsible for fetching the data from the Wikipedia API, or you can just say it is scraping the data. For building this, first of all you need to import Twickenter. So here you can just write from Twickenter we need to import everything, so we can just write here star here like this. So this line generally means that grab everything from the Twickenter library. Now the second line, we need to import the Wikipedia library as well. This is a module. Now we just need to initialize the root variable and initialize the tk instance, and again root dot main loop. So basically this function will start the Twickenter window. So if I run this Python application, you will see that this is my small little Twickenter window here. You can see that. Now we need to resize this window. It is very easy, guys. We can just use the geometry method which is there inside Twickenter to manipulate the dimensions. We can just write here root dot geometry. This is a method, and here inside string you can just pass 800 multiplied 500. So this is width and height. Now if I run again this, you will see our window will be large here, 800 in width and 500 in height. Now we just need to create a text field. For that we can just write here text field. So for this we have the entry method. Here we need to pass first the root parameter and then the text which will be written. So here I can just write enter summary like this. And the third command, I think that the third command is not there. The second parameter that you need to pass is the width, actually how many characters you will need. I will initialize it to 50 like this. That's it. And now we need to also add it to the screen, so we can just use text field dot pack method like this. So this will add it to the graphical user interface. So if I once again run this, you will see my text field is added here. You can see that the width is equal to 50 pixel like this. Now we just need to make our button. So the button is very simple. Just initialize my button and we will use the button method. First of all, pass the root instance again, and here you just need to pass the text which will be written on the button, the label. Let's suppose we have search information like this, and the third argument will be the event listener. So when we click the button, we need to pass here command option here and the method name. Let's suppose we write here search. So when we click this button, this method will be executed. Now we just need to define this method at the top here. So def search, this is a method, put colon like this. And now we will be making a simple label on the screen by the help of label method. First of all, we will pass the root instance and then we will pass the text that needs to be written on the label. So here we will use the Wikipedia library, Wikipedia dot summary method, which will grab the summary about a specific topic which is passed here. So in order to get the entry which is written inside the text field, we can just write here text field dot get. So basically this will get the entry which is written by the user. That's it. Now we just need to add it on the screen, so we can once again use mylabel.pack. That's it. So this completes the application. This is a very basic application. Let me just run it. So you will see button is not appearing because we haven't invoked the pack method. So every time you add a new element, you need to use the pack method in order to add it to the screen like this. So now if I refresh it, you will also see the button which is appearing right here in the screen, search information. Now I need to enter a topic, let's suppose programming. Click on search information and you will see it will grab some of the lines which will be there inside the Wikipedia. You can see that these are the lines it is grabbing and displaying it inside the window. So inside this Wikipedia module, there are various methods. You can grab the whole page like this dot page. So after that, you need to write dot content. So it will only grab the contents of that page. So if I run once again, and once again if I pass something here, car, let's suppose car, search information, now it will display the whole page. So it will take some time, so just wait. Now you can see that it is displaying the whole page of Wikipedia. So if you just resize the window, you will see lot more information is available. So this was a very basic application that I wanted to tell you uh, using this Wikipedia module. One other method is there. Let me just show you method as well. Dot search. So we need to remove this dot content. So basically this will be searching this content and it will be displaying relevant topics. Let's suppose I type here film, click search information, so it will be displaying relevant topics. You can see that Sonic the film, action film, thriller film. If I change the topic, let's suppose to JavaScript, search information, and now you can see that it will be displaying the relevant topics inside the screen. So this is the search method. So you can just make a very simple GUI kind of application using Wikipedia API module in Python. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and also tap the notification bell icon, and I will be seeing you in the next video.